on my brain, crypto, oh you're saying. Talk out with the code, man, I swear to the lane. Eyes on my neck, that shine like a chain. If you don't talk money, man, I know what you're saying. Bitcoin hot, just body stocks. Nas with the 100, but I never gas. I went out the hood.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking at my trades on the NAS100 today. So let's even switch this over to today's date, which is the 17th. 17. So, how many trades did I make today? I made 6 trades today on the day. I had 4 losers, 2 winners. The 2 winners kind of made up for all of today's losers and also all of the losers from last week. So if you recall me, I was saying I need to find a strategy. I need to find a strategy. So over the weekend, I kind of put in some work and kind of locked in on an ICT strategy. And let's just see how it plays out because this is just 2 days in, so I'm not gonna draw any big conclusions as to like if the strategy works, if this is what I'll be using continuously going on. But basically, this is what happened today. So you can see all of my trades were buy side trades today. So I definitely did have a buy side bias, right? I definitely had a buy side bias. This is today's candle, as in Wednesday, but this is the Tuesday. So this is what I was trading today. And first trade I entered here at 15122. So I was bullish in the morning because like I'm continuing the trend. I'm thinking we're bullish, so I'm setting up for bullish trades. So I entered this one bullish with a stop loss of about $14. So you can see I got hit out for a loss of what's that, 14.75. This is my stop loss. So at 15.107 I got stopped out. You can see it's a little bit below where it's like it knew I would have gotten hit out, so it just took me out a little early, right? The next one, and I'll just move the entry candle, which was this one, the entry horizontal line. So I entered here when it got a little lower. I have to extend this because it's kind of overlapping into where I had previous stop loss. So this one I had it a little lower and I got stopped out there. So closer to where I had, this is actually a zone that I had planned to take buys from, right? So it's like a deeper, I would say a money grab or a liquidity grab or an area where price might come down to before pushing up. That one was a loss of 21.34. So the market basically kept trending down. It kept pushing down, pushing deeper. I entered more buy side trades. I mean, at this point, I was getting quite exhausted. I entered a final trade when the setup kind of presented the way that, like, an optimal setup. And then I was prepared to take the loss on that if it didn't go my way as well. I had a loss, a max risk of about 70 because I had like 35 as the risk. So let's see. Yeah, from 971 to 935, that's around 36. And then from 974 to 935, that's around 30. That's 39 or something. Yeah, 39. And then this one is 30, like 36, 37, 38, something thereabout. But this trade I continued to enter to the buy side. Because I mean I'm watching it during the day, so I'm entering it to the buy side. I mean, if you look on the 1 hour chart, you kind of have a better look at where I'm entering. So I'm entering, where is I entering? Somewhere around here. Because this is 15 hours after market open. So if market open is 6, you plus 12 to that to get you to 6 a.m. and then you would plus 3 to that, so that would get you to 9. So you can see that I'm entering around here at 9:30. So where's 9:30? 9:30 would have been part of this candle, right? So I'm entering while the market is really tanking down. So if I'm entering at 9:30, it would have been within which one of these candles? The 15. Let me see, which candle are we dealing with here? 15.093. A little confusing why 15. Let's see, 15, right? If we're trying to get from 6 p.m., which is the open, to 15 hours after that, it would be add 12 and then you add 3. I'm not sure why it's not matching up. I'm thinking we should be on the 9:30 candle here. 15, yeah. Thinking we should definitely be on the 9:30 candle. I'm not sure why we're showing that we're on the 8:30 candle. Unless I'm doing something wrong. Maybe the open is at 7 on Sundays. I'm not certain. But this is where I entered as the market started to tear down. I entered here and then I got stopped out there. The next one now I entered, I guess this was on the 8 now. This is still on the 8 but closer to the 9 open. So this should be at the close here, yeah. And then so while it's pushing down, I'm entering for it to go up because I'm thinking, okay, you basically broke down this level. So maybe I was expecting maybe it grabbed enough liquidity for it to push back up, because I'm thinking that we're in a bullish trend, but we didn't. We still kept pushing down. So as the market kept pushing down, these were when I placed my final trades at 14,971. So you can see I had an entry there, and then I actually